Good afternoon, YouTube. Frank from Seeds and Dreams here. Right now I'm on my way over to Agway. We ordered 12 female egg layers. Of course, egg layers, they are female, right? But yeah, when you order them from Agway, or you order them, not so much Tractor Supply, you're taking a crapshoot there. But when you order them from Agway, or you order them from a hatchery, you can specifically ask for females. And these are going to be an addition to the ones we have already. So yeah, it's a good day on the homestead. We're always happy to see baby chicks. Talk to you in a few. And we're here. Let me run in, get these guys, and I'll see you in a few.
Oh, they're dust bathing.
And here we are, the 5 that we hatched here at home got moved to a small home. Lucky them. So let's do the reveal. Hurry up. I'm making it short. Put all this together. There they are. And there they are in the new temporary home.